Hi class, in this video I'll show you how to do number 6 on chapter 5 aptitude homework. Now number 6 is pretty long, it gives you 4 points, so we're going to take step by step. Now you see the first graph over here. The first graph is we're going to use it as a tool to show us what the area is. So we're going to use this later. So let's go to the second graph. So the question asks, on this graph, on the following graph, use the green point to plot the annual total revenue when the market price is 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. So we're going to use this above graph over here, this one we just ignored, to find out how much the area is. So when the price is $40, so let's drag this over here. So when the price is $40, let's move to 40. Our quantity demanded, so we're going to drag all the way to the demand curve. So when price is at $40, our quantity demanded is 30, and this area is going to be one time. Oh, it's hard to see. 1200. So area 1200. Let's go over here. So when the price is 40, I'm gonna do 1200. And then next, when the price is at 60, so let's move to 60 now. Now we're going to move back to our demand curve. We intersect. So at 60, we have 27 units. Now click on it. The average revenue, the area will be 1620. So at 60, let's draw another one. At 60 will be 1620. And then next one at 80, so drag this one step higher. At 80, our quantity will be 24, and the area will be 1920. So go back over here at 80 and 1920. The next point at 100. At 100 is going to be 21 unit, so 2100 total revenue. So 2100. There we go. And next one is 120. So increase to 120. Go back to demand curve and click on it. So that'll be 2160. So 120, 2160. And the next one 140. So 140. Drag over here. Click on it. 2100 again. So 140. That will be 2100, and the last one 160. So 160. Click on it. 1920. 1920. There you go. Okay. So this is how you plot the curves. And then let's answer the next question. So next question: according to the Maypoint method, the price elasticity of demand between point A and B is approximately how much? So our point A and B is right here, so this is point A and this is point B. So again, we're going to use the calculation to find out elasticity. Now again, I would like to use my Excel. This is my best friend over here. So let me clear this out, clear content. So from point A to B, first, let's find out what's our changing quantity. So point A, our quantity is 100. I'm sorry, no. Point A quantity is 21. Point B quantity is 24. So the changing quantity is going to be 24 minus 21. Just give you 3. And then next average quantity. So 21 plus 24 and divided by 2. To give you 22.5, and then changing the percentage changing quantity will be 3 divided by 22.5, give you 0.13333, and then changing price at point A, our price is going to be 100, and point B, the price is going to be 80. So 100 minus 80, and then the average price is going to use parentheses 100 plus 80 and then divided by 2. Give you 90, and the percentage change, that's equal to 20 divided by 90, and then 0.2222. So the elasticity equals to the percentage change in quantity divided by the percentage change in price. So the answer should be 0.06. So let's go back over here to Aplia. .6, and that's our answer. Okay. Now, next part. Suppose the price of BP Bobs is currently $100 per BP. You know what? I can just skip it. Suppose the price is $100 per unit. Show us point A on the initial graph. So right now we're at $100 per unit. So right here. Let me lower this. There. Because the price elasticity of demand between point A and B. Now, since we have the elasticity at 0.6, so we know it's less than 1, so this will be called inelastic. Now, inelastic, so a $20 per unit decrease in price will lead to what? Remember, when the elasticity is inelastic, that means consumers are less responsive. So when consumers are less responsive, company has more power in this case. So with less responsive or inelastic consumers, company can increase their revenue by increase their price. But in this case, if we decrease our price with inelastic consumers, they still buy the same number of unit. So if you decrease the price, they're not going to pay more money to you. So your total revenue actually decrease. So this will lead to a decrease in total revenue. So in general, in order of a price increase to cause an increase in total revenue, demand must be inelastic. Okay, so because consumers with inelastic demand, that means consumers, they're not responsive. They don't care about what the price is. So if you change the price, they still buy the same number of unit compared to before. So that's the case. Your total revenue will increase because your price is higher now. All right, so let's check our answer. Good now. Cross our fingers. Let's take a look. Okay, we're good. We're good. And we are good on all part. Okay, very good. So take a look at it. Have any question, let me know. Thank you very much.